Basic map navigation. Now that you've signed in and looked around a little bit, spend some time getting familiar with the map. One of the best ways to become familiar with the basics of the map is to take the map tours. These are relatively painless and take about 2 to 3 minutes for each tour. These are available whenever you open up a blank map. You can see that they come up. If you ever lose them, just click on the I About, and then there are the tours right there. I usually have my students start off taking these. The other best way is to simply play around on the map. Zoom in, zoom out, look something up on the search bar, find your house, find where you grew up, change your base map. Maybe you want to see imagery. Check out what these other base maps look like. 4 or 5 minutes of just kind of looking around on here goes a long way in helping you gain a familiarity with what it is you'll be doing on the mapping platform. Another thing to do would be search for some of the base layers, search for some of the layers that are out there. You're not going to find any really in your organization yet, so search in ArcGIS Online. Say, you're talking about earthquakes in class. Search for earthquakes and add 1 or 2 of these layers to the map. See what you can come up with. There's all kinds of topics on here. I don't know if baseball is going to bring anything up or not. There you go. Major League Baseball stadium. Somebody made a layer and published it. Be a good consumer of data with these layers. If it's just someone's initials, maybe give it a look over before you use it in class. If it's published by Esri, it's been properly vetted and you can use that. One of the best pieces of advice I have for you, though, is when using this in your classroom, when using ArcGIS Online with your students, just give them 10 to 15 minutes to mess around on this map. It saves headaches in the long run when you're trying to instruct. They're not searching for grandmother's house. They're not searching for where they went on vacation last year. Just devote that initial first 10 to 15 minutes of once they get signed in. Have them take the tours first. You take the tours as well, and then just use the map for what it's for, to go out and search for different things. Doing that initially saves you headaches in the long run, and it makes any future maps you make much easier because you've gained some familiarity with the operations.